Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Cedar Grove is a small community in Plaquemines Parish, Louisiana, located on the west bank of the Mississippi River, just south of New Orleans. Though it sits close to the city, Cedar Grove has its own identity, shaped by the river, by industry, and by generations of families who built lives here. Like many river communities in Plaquemines Parish, Cedar Grove developed along the natural levees of the Mississippi. In the 19th century, this land supported plantations and small farms that relied on the river for transportation and trade. After the Civil War, formerly enslaved people and their descendants established communities in this area, creating churches, schools, and neighborhoods that became the foundation of Cedar Grove. During the 20th century, Cedar Grove changed as New Orleans expanded and industry moved downriver. Shipyards, oil facilities, and river traffic brought jobs, while improved roads connected the area more closely to the city. Despite this growth, Cedar Grove remained a tight-knit residential community, where local churches and family ties played a central role in daily life. Living this close to the river and the Gulf has always come with risk. Hurricanes have repeatedly tested Cedar Grove. Hurricane Betsy in 1965 caused severe flooding across the West Bank, leaving lasting damage. Decades later, Hurricane Katrina in 2005 devastated the area once again. Floodwaters destroyed homes, displaced residents, and altered the landscape. Many families rebuilt, while others were forced to leave, changing the community's size and character. In the years since Katrina, Cedar Grove has faced ongoing challenges, including flood protection concerns, land subsidence, and economic pressure. At the same time, efforts to rebuild and preserve community history have kept Cedar Grove from disappearing entirely. Today, Cedar Grove stands as a reminder of the many small communities that line the Mississippi River, places often overlooked, yet essential to the story of Plaquemines Parish. It reflects the broader history of the region: settlement along the river, growth tied to industry, and resilience in the face of repeated storms. As you watch Cedar Grove, you're seeing a place shaped by water, labor, and memory, a quiet but important chapter in Louisiana's river communities. Thanks for watching!